Hey guys, Pai here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I have really cool electric folding bike to share with you. This is the electric folding bike from Fifth Wheel. So in today's video I'll show you what comes in the box and then a quick assembly video, and then we'll test this bike and see how fast and how fun this bike will be. Let's go. Let's open up this foldable electric bike from Fifth Wheel. Alright, so these are everything that came in the box. This is the bike itself. You can't separate it with the front wheel, so you will have to install the front wheel. Should be pretty simple to do. And front and rear fenders, also the seat, and a charger, a front LED headlights, paddles, a ringing bell, instruction manual, and the toolkit, all the tools that you need. Let's go ahead and put the bike together, and I'll show you all the features of this foldable electric bike from Fifth Wheel. First, let's install the handle first. So just remove the cap here, and then just insert your handle in. All the wires should be in the front of the bike, and then just use the hex key that came in the package, and then just screw it in. And that's it. It's really simple and easy. Now let's go and install the front wheel. So the bolt already came attached to the wheel. Make sure when you put the wheel in, it's inserted right in the middle of the front brake caliper right here, because this is the disc brake. And after that, just tighten up the bolt and you're good to go. Next is the front fender. The 3 screws that came in the package, these 3 right here, and then the key that came with it. So you will tighten up the screw to here on the pipe right here, and then the top part right there to the fender top part right here. Alright, so the front fender is done. So the top part of the front fender, you just use the screw, the long screw from the front headlight, the front LED headlight, and then tighten it up to lock the top part in place. The rear fender is optional. Well, front and rear is optional. You don't have to put it if you don't want to. So I'm just gonna leave it out. I think it looks so much cooler without the rear fender. Alright, let's put both paddles together and then the seat, and we're done. The bike looks really cool. Love the color. So let me tell you about a little bit about the bike and the specs on the bike. So this bike has 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires with white lettering. It looks really cool, and it has the rear brushless 500 watt hub motor. So this should get up to probably 22 miles an hour, hopefully faster, but I'm sure it's about 20 miles an hour. And it also has the battery in here. It's a 10.4 amps battery. We should get around 35 to 50 miles on one charge. It depends how much full electric you use or how much you pedal the bike. And adjustable seat, rear adjustable suspension, and front adjustable suspension too. Also the top front LCD display that you can adjust and control from here, and it has the 6-speed gears, and the throttle is right here on the right hand side of the handle, and both front and rear disc brake. Looks really awesome, and that is the charging port. Alright, looks really cool. And oh, one more thing, the battery is removable. You can just, this is how you fold the bike. I'll show you later how you fold it completely. So there's the battery inside that you can remove if you want to. And the whole bike is about 50 pounds, including the battery. So it's not the lightest bike, but it's not super heavy that you cannot lift it and, you know, put it on your truck or on your SUV on the go, so you can ride this bike anywhere you want to go or you want to take it. Right before we go out for a test ride, let me try to fold it. I'll show you how to fold the bike, and then let's see if this bike, when it's folded, will fit in the back of my Tesla Model Y. First step here, just unlock the middle clip right here in the middle of the bike, and then you fold it this way. Fold it this way, so let's see, to the locking clip and push it up, fold over, and that's it. Now the bike is completely full and a lot smaller than, you know, when it's all open up. Now let's try to put it in my Tesla Model Y. It's quite heavy because it's, I think, these big tires and the battery. Let me try to put it in the back of my Tesla Model Y. Alright, it actually fits in the back of my Tesla Model Y without actually folding the back seats. See, the back seats are still up and it fits perfectly in the back here. Alright, let me unfold it and then we'll go out and test out this awesome foldable e-bike from Fifth Wheel. If you are interested in this Thunder 1 FT electric folding bike from Fifth Wheel, you can use the link in the description below, and now they have this special discount for $400, so from $1,400 down to $1,000. If that special discount is no longer there, you can use my special discount code TC for extra $300 off. All right, now let's go and continue with the video. Before we go out and test out this e-bike from Fifth Wheel, let me show you how to operate the bike real quick. So first, the gear shifting, so you just push up for lower gear and then press this button right here for higher gear, as you can see. So this is the throttle, just press down to go fast or to go forward, and this is your main control display. So press and hold to turn on, and then you press here to go up for the assist, for the electric assist, and press the M to go down to 0, but this button to go up to 3. So 3 is max, and this is the battery level right now, and this is your trip odometer, and that's pretty much it. Now let's go for a test ride. Alright, let's go test it out. Love the look of this bike, by the way. Looks really cool and tough looking bike with these fat tires on it. Let's try to start with no assist first. Well, this is number one assist, so no assist at all, just regular riding. I'm gonna shift the gear down to lightest, heaviest. It feels really good. It's not as heavy as I think because of this really thick fat tires. Now let's test the brake. is the front brake. Feels really good. Now let's test. Let's do a fully stop front and rear real quick. Fully stop. Whoa. Now, that is confidence for sure, a confident braking. I love the disc brake on this bike. It's not too big, not too small, I think it's just about right. Alright, now let's start with the paddle assist number 1. I can feel the kick, the electric motor kicking right away. I need it more higher gear right now. 4, 5. As you can see now, we 16 miles an hour. I rarely pretty much didn't paddle much at all. Now let's go level 2 on the paddle assist. Even faster, can feel that more power. Test the turn. Great turning on these fat wheels. Feels really confident when you turn. Test the speed. This is only level 2, second level. Okay, so the speed limit on the display is 20 miles an hour. But I'm sure it is faster than 20 miles now, even just level 2. It's just the display limit the speed, but the speed is much faster. Let's go level 3. See, I get up to speed really fast. I'm on what, 16 miles to 20 miles, just like that. Okay, brake real quick, and then we go to a longer straight right here. Shift down a gear, shift up a gear. Here we go. After this turn, we'll go full send. Shift to 6 gears, full send. Let's go. I think I feel like I needed more juice on the assist just after the turn. Now the juices come, so a little delay for some reason before, but now it kicks in. Feels good, fast, faster than I thought, much faster than I thought. Again, I just want to remind you, this is a folding bike with 20-inch fat tires, but the speed is a lot faster than it looks. Now let's go test out the E throttle only, no paddles at all. Let me park the bike real quick. So E throttle, you can start. Now let me see if you can just start E throttle, the throttle from, stand still. So no, so the bike has to roll a little. So there you go. See, the bike has to move. So the wheel has to move in order for you to use the throttle. So the throttle kicks in a little delay, as you can see. It doesn't kick in right away after I press. So about 2 seconds, 1 second, then it kicks in. Pretty fast too. So I'm not paddling right now, just on the throttle. And again, the throttle kind of delay. So the throttle limit the speed at 20 miles an hour, and then it just stay there. But if you want more speed, I would suggest to use the paddle assist. That can go faster than that speed limit on the display itself. You see the speed limit on this one. So I'm on 3rd gear fully, level 3 assist, 4th gear, 5th gear, 6th gear right now. 18 miles, 19 miles, 21. Oh yeah, or it doesn't really limit to 20. 22, 23. Yeah, 23 miles an hour. Real impressive for this 20-inch fat tires, 4 inches fat tires. Acceleration is impressive. How quick it gets up to the speed. Love the bike. So much fun, this bike. Alright, that was a fun ride testing out this foldable e-bike from Fifth Wheel. It was awesome bike. It was faster than I thought. Yeah, love the suspensions. Front and rear suspensions helps a lot. Really smooth ride, and love this fat tires. You can go anywhere with these fat tires bike. And only a few things, like as you can see in the video, it's a delay on the throttle and also a little bit of delay on the pedal assist on the electric motor. I would love for it to maybe cut like half-second delay. It would be a little bit more fun, just that half-second, but otherwise this bike is awesome. I love the bike and I love how it rides, how it handles, and yeah, overall it's an awesome bike. If you guys are interested, I'll make sure to put the link for this foldable e-bike from Fifth Wheel in the description down below, and let me know what you think in the comment down below too about this Fifth Wheel bike. And thank you so much guys for watching today's video. Make sure to click like if you like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome contents like this. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.